Republic Act Number 11313. This act is also known as Safe Spaces Act or Bawal Bastos Law. It is an act defining gender-based sexual harassment in streets, public spaces, online, workplaces, and educational or training institutions, providing protective measures and prescribing penalties therefore. So this act aimed for ensuring an individual's sense of personal space and public safety. The law focused on gender-based sexual harassment in public areas. GBSH or gender-based sexual harassment in street and public spaces is defined as acts which are committed through any unwanted and uninvited sexual actions or remarks against any person regardless of the motive for committing such action or remarks. What do public spaces refer to under this law? Public spaces like streets and alley, roads and sidewalks, restaurants and cafe, public parks, schools and churches, government offices, malls and public markets, cinema halls, public utility vehicles or PUVs, hotel and casinos, transportation terminals, public washrooms, internet shops, theaters, spas, bars, and resorts, openly accessible or offered to be accessed by the public. So there are various types of GBSH in public spaces, and one of them is catcalling. Catcalling is a term referring to when a man whistles, yells, screams, or sexually makes inappropriate comments to women. It's something that happens thousands of times a day, all over the world. Is it playful banter or is it harassment? There are so many people, mostly women, have had the experience of being catcalled, having someone loudly comment on your sexual attractiveness. The comments can range from the relatively benign "hello gorgeous" or "hello beautiful" to threats of sexual assault. In recent years, however, commentators and feminists have been paying growing attention to catcalling, arguing that it represents an acceptable assertion of power by men in public over the bodies of women. Others, however, argue that it's just a bit of fun. So, in order to stop or prevent this, where can the victims of GBSH in street and public spaces seek assistance? They can ask to the local government unit via anti-sexual harassment hotline, to the nearest police precinct through their Women and Children's Protection Desk, local social welfare and development office, and public attorney's office subject to PAO's person qualified for legal assistance procedure. We must do something to stop this. It is time to stop this problem. Let's focus on making the world a place where a woman don't have to fear riding the bus or walking down the street. Let's teach today's youth that sexual harassment isn't funny and isn't playful. Let's stop them. And that would be all. Thank you.